Peace be upon you all. أهلا وسهلا. Welcome back to our weekly Darija challenge. Ready for the episode number 2. First of all, let's answer the first one. So the meaning of فين غادي is where are you going? Where are you going? The first option. Okay, so without further ado, let's learn some more fun phrases and let's get into our challenge for this episode. First, مبروك. مبروك. مبروك, it means congratulations. Congratulations. Perfect for any celebration. مبروك. مبروك عليك الدار, مبروك النجاح. Congratulations. And we have كيف داير. كيف داير. So that's how we ask how are you? How are you in Darija? كيف داير. لاباس. How are you? Fine. And here is one you will hear a lot. بغيت نشوفك. بغيت نشوفك. It means I want to see you. I want to see you. Great for making plans. Great for making plans. When somebody says, I want to see you, it means he wants to make a plan with you. Or just, no. Your challenge is, so what do you think? واش بغيتي شي حاجة means. واش بغيتي شي حاجة. So here are your options. Here are your options. Did you write something? Do you need something? Or are you tired? So drop your answers below and wait for the correct answer in the next episode, inshallah. See you.